In this video, we are going to learn how to read a file in Rust programming language. For reading a file, we should learn the library stdfs file, stdio preludes and std path. These libraries are required to read content of a file in Rust programming language. So we start this video, class number 39. Go to VS Code. Here I create a new package. I say cargo new class number 39, and so I say read file. Now go to this directory. So I say cd class 39 read file. CLS, go to the application main file, and here we should start this. First of all, we have to use stdfs file library. Then I use stdio prelude star. We use prelude for all the library available in IO package. Then use std, this is optional path. If you want to use, you can use path also. So these are the three libraries that we required for reading a file in Rust. First thing, to create a pointer or reference of a file. So we say let our file equal to file library to open a file. So I say open, and here I need to pass the path of a file. So src, I give a path src abc.txt. You see that this file is not available under src directory, so it will generate error. So we say the error also. We say expect, and here I write if file is not found. So I say file not found, like this. But if we find the file, then so I say our file dot, we have to read a content. So I say read to string, like this. And here I need to pass the string in which we want to read the content of a file. So I say let, I say file data, like this, and it should be mutable. I say mutable and of a string type also. So I assign string also, and here I say reference of mutable f data, and then expect. If it is not able to read the content of a file, then we say cannot read file. So that information we want to display. If everything is okay, then I say println, and I display the content of a file. So I say file content /n, like this, and I say f data. Simple 3 line of code, nothing is special in it, but we have to understand that we are using a open function to open a file. If file is not found, it will generate error, like this. If file is found, then we have a pointer of a file, the reference of a file, and with the help of that we are reading a content of a file to this variable, and if not able to read, generate error. Otherwise we will display content of a file. Try to execute. I say cargo run, and you see that we have some error that we are not using path and we are not using colon. Okay, so we need colon also in a path. Right now I am not using this path, but I'll show you how to use it. So once again I try to execute. You see that this says